everybody, I have a fun announcement to make. तो 2 मिनट के लिए जो भी कर रहे हो वो साइड में रखो और आगे की स्टोरी सुनो. One of my favorite people on this planet, Sidhali, is coming up with a new play जिसमें वो काम करने वाली है, जिसका नाम है कहाना. फिल्मी है. It's a musical play and the first show is happening in Thane on the 8th of this month. That is Sunday at 12 o'clock in Kashinath Ghanekar Auditorium, which is in Meadows. And I am trying my best to attend it. So if you're not doing anything, please come and watch the show. To buy the tickets, link is right here. All you have to do is swipe up and buy your tickets. Please come. Please show some love to Sidhali. Share this link. If you are someone who enjoys theatre, enjoys dancing, music, then you should totally come. She's a fabulous performer. Swipe up, buy your tickets. See ya there. Hey guys, I'm going to be going live on Maharashtra Times Facebook page today at 4:15. So make sure you're there. Come, let's chill.